We have is when we have to create a new or already there is, then we have to use a as, then procedure body will be started from the begin and end with the end keyword. So within that, whatever the executable statement you want to write, so you can write here, and that procedure is called in the main program, right? So you have seen different kind of example. One of the example we have seen like the greeting that will present hello world, right? It is a standalone if you want to create. So you can just execute using the execute keyword, and after that execute keyword you can call this procedure into a PLSQL program. So once it is called and you run that program, you will print the output, right? Like hello world. Now we have seen another kind of procedure to find out the sum of two numbers. So in the case of sum of two numbers, you can create a procedure and will declare it and produce it, right? तो ये हमने कल करा था, तो हम फिर से इसको आप करते हैं एक बार, so that we have to do the password. It is now connected. Now we have to just so creating a procedure that will compute the addition of two numbers, right? So we have to first of all declare all the variable that will count in the main program or use in the main program. So we have to take a, that a is a number that will access through the user. B is another number, and we want to the output in C, so we have to take it as C, right? Now we have to create a procedure. So here we have to write procedure. And the procedure is what? We have to say about add num. So we have to take add num kind of a procedure that will take two arguments. Let one of the argument is x. So x will be an integer or number, right? And it is a kind of x. X will be a in kind of a parameter, right? So x in is a number. Similarly, we have to write by is another number, so it is again a in. That means we have to enter these two values into the procedure, right? So again it is a number, and we want to take the output, right? So output is in JAG. So JAG is also a kind of a parameter that will represent the output, right? So it is a out parameter. We have to associate the out parameter in that. So number is there, right? And we have to create this procedure is we have to define what will be in that. So JAG is now written as x plus y. We have to end that procedure. Now the main program body is started with the beginning, and here we have to take the values of a, so let it is 50, and b is left and we are just calling the procedure that is add underscore num, and here we pass the values like a, b and c. A, b and c. So see here, when this procedure call the add num procedure, So the value of A will be copied in X, value of B will be copied in Y, and Z is because of the out function, out parameter. So Z is computed as like X plus Y, that is 50 plus 30, and it will be back to this calling program. And here, whatever the value here we have seen, that will be printed, right? So we have to print EBMS underscore output dot put line, and what print? We want to print addition of two numbers is C. किसमें आ रहा है? C में, right? So that will be. So here we have to end it. Now print it. So procedure is successfully completed. After that, output क्यों नहीं आया? So we have to write again. See, begin with this. क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है? एंटिटी का इन आउट की वैल्यू भी आ रही है, प्रोसेस कंप्लीट भी हो रहा है, आउटपुट नहीं दे रहा। We write it in T equivalent to C, just ये वैल्यू नहीं मिल रही, रिटर्न कर नहीं रही है, C की वैल्यू एग्जीक्यूट हो रही है। Procedure then as in number, then Z as out, is created, ठीक है। We have to call add underscore add num2 sorry loop.
Yes, sir.
We were talking about earlier program that will be in the form of just a previous program that will create a procedure to compute the sum of two numbers, right? That वो तो हो गया था ना सभी का। उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या थी कि हमने सेट सर्वर आउटपुट ऑन नहीं किया हुआ था, राइट? सेट सर्वर आउटपुट जब ऑन करेंगे तो आपको डिस्प्ले आएगा, राइट? तो जो प्रोग्राम हमने बनाया था सम वाला, so we have again just call it किया था हमने एक दो प्रोसीजर क्रिएट किया, प्रोसीजर में एक्स और वाई एज ए इन पैरामीटर लिए क्योंकि हमें दो वैल्यू का सम करना था, राइट? और जेड एक हमने आउट पैरामीटर लिया जिसमें हमें वैल्यू कंप्यूट करनी थी एक्स और वाई की। तो क्या किया हमने कि जेड इज असाइन्ड एज एक्स प्लस वाई, दैट मींस एडिशन ऑफ टू नंबर इज असाइन्ड टू जेड एंड नाउ वी कॉल इट in a main program that is called this parameter that is add with their two in argument and one out argument. So here we have taken two input like 23, 25 and after that we have to call add and A, B, C is there, right? So we have to print C, the value of C. So C here. Okay. So what is in that? We have to C is there, file, save and print. Now see here the total of 23 and 25 sum 48 is displayed, right? nothing is there, that means we have to read two value as an input and we print third value as an output. Similar case, just create a or write a PL/SQL program, the square of number, right? Square of a number. So how to write? Again we create a procedure. So procedure is there. Then we have to create a name of the procedure. So name of the procedure, let it is SQARE, right? स्क्वायर करना था SQUARE, ठीक है, कोई भी नाम, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हमने स्क्वायर बना चुका था अभी आपसे पहले और डिस्कनेक्ट हो चुका था स्क्वायर. एंड नाउ सी हियर, किसी एक नंबर का हमें स्क्वायर देना है. जैसे हमने कहा कि आपको 5 है तो 5 का स्क्वायर 25 प्रिंट करना है. लेट, so here we have taken let it is x, right? Then it will be, now x value become 25, that means the square of this number, right? So we have taken here x as in and out parameter, and what is the data type of this is number. Now we have to write the executable body of this function, procedure, sorry. So what will be the x is now assigned as x cross x. X is now assigned as x cross x, and we have to in this procedure. So this procedure is completed right now, right? Now we call this procedure into the main program. So let me start with this beginning, and see here we have to read a number. Let a is any number, then it will be just input through the user. So we have to take in and a, but before that we have to declare it first. So declaring it first, declare a is a number, right? A is a number, and now call this into the main program, right? So we have to call the procedure, that is square one, and we call a, pass a as the value, right? Once it is passed, have to print the value of a. Now dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and we print the square equivalent square of ठीक है, square of given number, ठीक है, स्क्वायर ऑफ गिवन नंबर, दैट इज नाउ किसमें आएगी वैल्यू बताएंगे, क्या प्रिंट कराएं?
A में,
राइट, A में, राइट, एंड वी हैव टू एंड इट. We have to just copy this code and use that. इसको हटा ही देते हैं और सिंपली इसको कमेंट कर सेव, that's it. Here we want a value, that is inter value of a, let it is 5, right? So square when expecting one of the following, क्या हो गया, SQURE, क्या गड़बड़ है बताएंगे, हमने इसमें यहाँ पे टर्मिनेट नहीं किया, right? So we have to terminate it, and now we have to execute it again. Let 5 is there. So now see here 5 value is given into the program, and now square of a given number is 25. So you can execute any time it, so you can get your result, right? See here like 80, 98, again you can get the result. So all the cases, this is a case of parameter as in and out. Here we are using the parameter as in and out. Clear हो रही है बात? How to write this? Now आप लोग create create a procedure to print the area of a triangle. एक सिंपल सा है, आप बात print the area of a triangle. Then we have to move to the next, that is function. Print the area of a triangle. कर लेंगे सभी लोग? बताएं? सभी लोग कर लेंगे? Same as write a PL/SQL code, PL/SQL program to print area of a triangle. Print area of a triangle. बना लेंगे, चलिए छोड़ देते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Right. So next way, how we can pass the parameter in the program. So have seen there are two kinds of parameter. We have seen actual parameter and formal parameter.